Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with some quick tips for you on FHA property requirements when it comes to water supply systems. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of FHA guidelines. Also, this video was issued on June 13th, 2017, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So let's take a look at the minimum property standards for water supply systems. But before we do, please keep in mind we're only going to be hitting some of the key points. For the full guidelines, please be sure to check out the FHA Single Family Handbook. All right, so let's talk about the public water supply system. So a lender must confirm that there's a connection to public or community water systems whenever feasible and that they're available at a reasonable cost. So what that means is if you have a situation where a borrower is not connected to a public or community water system, maybe they're on a well system, it doesn't mean that then they have to automatically get connected to that unless the cost to do so is reasonable. Now, if costs of the connection are not reasonable, then the existing on-site water supply system may be acceptable if it's functioning properly and it meets the local health department requirements. So then that brings us to the individual water supply systems or wells. So the requirements for wells, the lender must confirm that the water quality meets the requirements of the health authority with the jurisdiction. Now, in some cases, there may be no local or state water quality standards. In that case, then the lender must confirm that the water meets the EPA standards. Also, well, here's an example. So here are some of the basic well standards for an existing property. It must deliver a water flow of 3 to 5 gallons per minute. There must be no exposure to environmental contamination. It must have a continuing supply of safe portable water, and it must have domestic hot water. So again, these are just some of the basic key points. Also, in this case, most lenders are going to order some type of well inspection if the borrower or the property has a well instead of public or community water. All right, everyone, that's all for now. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org and look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including loan officers, processors, underwriters, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.